Imagine having access to hundreds, if not thousands, of television channels from around the globe, all without a monthly subscription fee. Welcome to the world of free-to-air, or FTA, satellite receivers. This is the cutting-edge technology that's transforming the way we consume television content, bringing a world of entertainment to our fingertips. FTA satellite receivers are the unsung heroes of the broadcasting world. They're the key to unlocking a treasure trove of global television content, all for free. But how? Well, buckle up because it's time to delve into the fascinating world of FTA satellite receivers. Firstly, what exactly is an FTA satellite receiver? It's a specialized device that picks up unencrypted broadcasts from satellites orbiting the Earth. These broadcasts are not locked behind any paywalls, meaning they're free to anyone who can receive them, hence the name free-to-air. The process begins with a satellite dish which captures the satellite signals and directs them towards the FTA receiver. The receiver then decodes these signals and converts them into viewable TV content. It's a complex process, but the result is simple: a wealth of diverse, exciting, and best of all, free television content. But don't be fooled into thinking that FTA receivers are all about saving money. They're also about enhancing your viewing experience. With an FTA receiver, you can explore a world of content that you might never encounter on your regular cable or satellite service. From niche sports and international news to foreign films and cultural programming, FTA receivers open up a world of viewing opportunities. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but surely there's a catch. Well, while FTA receivers do offer a wealth of free content, they do require an initial investment. You'll need a satellite dish, the receiver itself, and potentially professional installation. However, once set up, the running costs are minimal. And compared to the ongoing costs of a cable or satellite subscription, many find FTA receivers to be a cost-effective alternative. To summarize, FTA satellite receivers are a game-changer in the world of television broadcasting. They offer access to a wealth of global television content, all without the need for a monthly subscription. They do require an initial investment, but the ongoing costs are minimal. And with the potential to explore a world of diverse and exciting content, the benefits of FTA receivers are clear. So, if you're looking for a new way to consume television content, or perhaps you're a tech enthusiast eager to explore the latest broadcasting technology, consider stepping into the world of FTA satellite receivers. It's a decision that could transform your viewing experience, opening up a world of television content that's as diverse as it is exciting.